Hi Dots, it's that time of the year again. Pretty soon you will be receiving your property tax bill or real estate tax statement in the mail. Before you pay those, we wanted to provide you all with the opportunity to learn about the various components of the document. The top portion contains all the details specific to the property itself, such as the address and the owner's name. There's also a tax summary provided that shows the total amount of tax you owe. In this case, the owners of the property are going to owe a total of $1,238.52. As you will see, this is the total of all property tax jurisdictions, not just the UG. The next section of your bill is focused on assessed value and is crucial to understanding how your taxes are calculated. Rather than calculating your taxes on the full appraised value of your home, which would be close to market value, they are calculated from the assessed value, which is 11.5% of the appraised. That 11.5% is determined by the state of Kansas. In the next two columns, you can see your assessed value for the last year and your updated one for 2024. The value change column shows you the difference between those two amounts. And the percentage change shows you that change expressed in a percentage. The last portion of this row simply shows the amount of tax you owe. The amount owed to all jurisdictions is $1,411.02. $172.50 is removed because the first $8,625 of appraised value on a house is exempt from 20 mills of the school's mill levy. As long as a home has an appraised value of at least $40,000, it will receive the $172.50 exemption. In this case, the exemption will lower the grand total to $1,238.52. The next section of your bill is going to break down the grand total by each of your taxing jurisdictions. Often, residents think the UG is responsible for every portion of their tax bill, but in reality, they are subject to taxation from their state, community college, school district, and library as well. The next two columns show the amount owed to each jurisdiction from the prior and current year, with the totals being at the bottom. Once again, you have the change expressed in dollars in the next column, and as a percentage in the last one. The next section of your bill is probably the most confusing. It once again lays out your jurisdictions, but the next column shows your levy expressed in mills. Rather than use a traditional rate expressed in a percentage, we use mills. 1 mill is equal to $1 per $1,000 of assessed value. This means if your levy was 1 mill and your assessed value was $1,000, you would owe $1 of tax. Let's do a quick calculation using the Kansas City mill levy to demonstrate how this works. Our assessed value for the year is $9,085. Since mills group the total into thousands, we simply replace the comma with a period and multiply by our levy of 34.462, and we get our total KCK tax bill of $313.09. The final column just expresses the levy change in a percentage. The final portion of your tax bill shows you how much each of your jurisdictions collected, as well as the change between years expressed in both dollars and a percentage. The grand total is at the bottom. Last but not least, your due date is at the bottom. So make sure you know your updated 2024 due date and get your money in by then. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video helped.